my face. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day in JA Lives.
Even if we're not in jail.
We are home in Nice, France. You guys spend the day with me and my babies. Today is Wednesday and I am off today. Unusually, I wouldn't be off on a day in the week. I would normally be off on a Friday, Saturday, or Saturday, Sunday. But today, exceptionally, because one of my colleagues is going away this weekend and she switched her day off with me. So that's why I'm off today. But anyway, that's besides the point. How are you guys doing? It's been a while since you guys seen the kiddos. Tell us a good morning.
Hi.
So today's a Wednesday, and in France, if you don't know, there is no school on a Wednesday. The kids would normally go to activity center, but because I'm out today, they wanted to stay home with me, and I took this chance to take Tyler to the dentist because Tyler had a dentist appointment to go to, so I made that possible today. No, we need to go one more up, Ty. We are at the mall in the town. The Christmas decoration is still up. I need to take mine down this weekend. We're at the mall because I need to get 2 birthday gifts. Tyler have a birthday to go to this weekend, right, Ty? And Sarah have a birthday to go to when? Next weekend, right? Yes. So I have to get...
Not this Saturday.
Yeah, it's next week Saturday. So I have to get 1 gift for one of Tyler's friend and 1 gift for one of Sarah's friend. So I'm taking this opportunity to do that right now, and then I'm going to go have lunch with them, and I think I should meet up with my friend Kine, because Kine doesn't live in France but she visits France a lot. She's here before the holidays, and she's leaving in I think 2 or 3 days, so I should be seeing her just to say bye and hang out a bit before she head back to another destination. So kids and I are heading inside this toy store that is called La Grand Récré. It's a very popular toy store here that we like to go to because it has so many options. The kids will definitely find something for their friends. Nothing too expensive but something reasonable. So let's see. Tyler, your friend is what? A boy or a girl? Tyler, Sarah friend is a boy?
Yes.
And Tyler, your friend birthday is a boy?
Yes.
Okay, so let's find something for both friends.
Wow. That is really for boys.
Yeah, that's Lego.
I also see one.
What do you think your friend will need, Tyler?
That's something with football.
Anything that's football. Sarah, what your friend will need? You're just gonna look and see if you find something? Okay, let's do that. Go on. Just walk around and see if you find something that caught your eye. It would be easier to find a gift for a girl because her girlfriends that she always go to the parties, we always get like a doll, and because she's a girl, it's easier to find something. But the boys, not so easy. Those are costume. We're not gonna get costume. Come. Tyler, let's also look if we see Harry Potter costume. Yeah? You don't see what? Yeah, but we're still looking. Tyler is into Harry Potter and it's one of the hardest costumes to find. We're still gonna look. Find a girl one. Well, that means there's boys, probably they're just out of stock. Alright, come in.
Follow me.
I say follow you, Sarah. I had no plan to go to the cinema, but my son spontaneously asked to go to the cinema today. He went to the cinema last weekend, but hey, he wanted to see Sonic 3, so this is where we end up at the cinema. buying food to head in. We're rushing because the movie is supposed to start at 11:15 and now it's 11:25. So we need to get in so we can be there on time. Anyway, it's not in the original version, it's in French. So he's still excited to see it. So why not? As long as my babies are happy. I'm buying hot dog here. Already got the popcorns, already got the juice, waiting on the hot dog to scan the ticket and head in. Oh, they have a whole menu for 9 something that I didn't see, but that's okay. I didn't see that, but that's fine. Merci, au revoir. Okay, we're heading in. We're heading in, we're heading in. Ty, vous avez déjà scanné? Super. C'est quelle salle? Allez, go, 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 go. Fais attention. Go, Sarah, go. All right. We're going down. Give me a hand. Give me a hand. Tyler, attends. Salle 4. Which number seats? Attends, attends.
6 ou 7 8.
6, 7, 8. Okay, go in. Go in, Sarah.
Si vos vacances en famille sont vraiment des vacances et que la seule chose qui vous prend la tête,
How was it, Ty?
Good.
How was the movie, Sarah?
Good. I love it.
There we go. You had fun? All right, movie's done. And now we're heading. Wait, we're going the wrong way. Oh, no.
Mama,
Yes.
dinner night. Mama,
Yes.
it was fast. Mama,
Yes.
can we go to the park?
We'll try. But of course, I did not tell you guys that Tyler broke his hand. Come show Faves your hand. Look up. Look up. You guys. He's smiling. So let me tell you the story real quick before my friend reaches. We're gonna chit chat. Tyler they were on vacation and he went to activity center. And you know, when you have kids, the worst fear when you're sending them to school is receiving that call that something is wrong with one of your child. And I got that call that Tyler, that day, I was actually off from work. And Sarah said that she wanted to stay with me on that day. But Tyler wanted to, he wanted to stay with me too. But on that day, he remembered that he had an outing activity going to the skating ring, and we've never taken him to the skating ring, and he always wanted to do it. So he wanted to go to school, to the activity center. I call it school, just to experience that. So I said, okay, go. I'm happy that he actually wanted to go to have that experience. He went, he said he was having fun, he was getting the hang of the ice skating, and he decided that, okay, now I feel comfortable, let me try and go a bit faster. And the minute he started going faster, boom, what happened?
I fell on my
Look up.
I fell on my hand.
You fell on your hand and you cried.
Yes.
It hurts.
Yes. Not anymore, but
And they call me like, Tyler hurt, it's not bad. The doctor on site saw him, and they think everything is okay, but we are to watch it and see if it swell up over the next few days. Then we have to take him to the doctor. But you know, this mama wasn't going to wait for it to swell up, and I wasn't going to wait for the next few days. So the evening we pick him up, and the following day we took him to the doctor, and they did a scan and realized that yep, his wrist is broken. But the good news is it wasn't broken too bad. So he didn't need like a cast or anything because of his age. You know, the bone is easy to heal. So he got to wear this thing that is on his hand, and you have to wear it for 3 weeks, right? 2 weeks.
and 1 week left.
And 1 week left. So it's been a week since it happened. So he have to go back to the doctor next Wednesday to do another scan and to see how it's progressing. But he's sad because he have to miss sports. He can't do no sports. He can't do judo. He can't play football with his friends. So he's not happy about that, and he's not taking it well because Tyler loves his sports. He loves playing football with his friends. Yeah. So that's what happened with Tyler hand. No, a pigeon almost stopped in my head. I can feel it. We're at the park. Let me show you Madam Missy. You see her? We're fine. Sarah! Say hi! You're having fun? Alrighty. Go on. I'm gonna catch you sliding down. Go on. You see the slide, how big it is? So Tyler is just over there chilling. Your turn. Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go. Come on. Woo! Hi, Fizz. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. On my way to drop kids to school. Say good morning, Sarah. How are you? You're fine. You're cold? Yes. Doing school drop-offs. It's cold this morning. How are you guys? It's been a minute since I've vlogged on my way to drop the kids to school. Life has been so busy, and sometimes it doesn't catch me to pick up the phone and vlog. Tyler, stop. Come say hi to the face. Hold on, the camera not on you as it. I'll tell you when I turn it around. And now, how are you? Heading to school? Yes. Get a full shot of them. Go! There they are. After school we go. Anyway, you guys, doing school runs. I'll talk to you guys after I drop them. Have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. Love you guys. I'll see you guys later. Everything continue to with the fam bam. First time to us, please consider subscribing. Dropped my babies at school, and after work I go. On the afternoon shift today. It's not so cold here when the sun is out in the daytime, but in the morning it's freezing. Anyway guys, I'm off to work. Have a good day.